Hey, what's up, my friend? This is Garrett Berry. Now, chances are you found this video because you're searching for how to make $100 a day. Well, you're in the right place because inside of this short video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can actually start doing that. You see, just to share a quick story with you, just 2 short years ago, I was in a very similar situation that you may be in right now. You see, I was turning to sites like Google, turning to sites like YouTube, and I was searching how to make $100 a day, how to make $100 a day from home, really trying to figure it out. And I watched a ton of different videos, and what I discovered after taking action on the methods these people were sharing was that a lot of them seemed to promise the world and never actually deliver. They either took a ton of prior experience to succeed, or you had to spend a ton of time, a ton of effort before making any good amount of money. And it really left me frustrated. I was motivated to search because I was working long hours as a waiter. I was broke, I was depressed, I was frustrated, and I really didn't have a lot of free time. I was missing out with precious time with loved ones. I remember vividly coming home at the end of the day, utterly exhausted, my feet sore from standing up all day, slaving away, and then getting my measly little check and barely being able to live off of it. I really couldn't imagine myself living life years down the line the way I was going. So, but in the midst of my trial and error, in the midst of my struggle, I actually stumbled across a working method. And ever since I applied it, I've been making $100 a day, $200 a day, even up to $320 a day just from home, applying simple methods. Now, it doesn't take a lot of prior experience, it doesn't take a lot of time or effort, but if you follow my lead, if you copy exactly what I do, there's no reason you can't also duplicate my results. Now, if you want access to much more information on this, click the link below in the description or head to the website across this video, and over on that other page what you will see is much more information. You have overview video revealing exactly how simple this works, as well as proof of my own personal earnings and a lot of my students who have also been coming in and copying exactly what I've been doing. So if you're interested in learning how to make $100 a day or even more, click the link below and I'll see you over on that other page.